Today we're going to read The Duckling Gets a Cookie? I see a question mark and an exclamation point at the end of this word. Words and Pictures by Mo Willems. I see a character that I'm familiar with. Yeah, it's the pigeon. The back of the book says, the duckling asks for a cookie and gets one. Do you think the pigeon is happy about that? Look at the front cover. The duckling looks pretty happy with its cookie. How does the pigeon look? Surprised. Yeah, I wonder why the pigeon is so surprised. Let's read to find out what happens in this book. The duckling gets a cookie. I do not like the look of that title. He does not want the duckling to get a cookie. Why not? He's being a little bossy, the pigeon. Hello. Scooty scoot scoot. May I have a cookie, please? Duckling has nice manners. Oh! Thanks. Flappity flip flap. That was very nice of you. Oh, look at all those nuts. Must be a chocolate chip nut cookie. I don't like those kinds of cookies. I just like plain chocolate chip cookies. Do you like chocolate chip cookies with nuts in them? Hey, how did you get that cookie? He looks scared. He does not want to give up his cookie. I asked for it. You asked for it? Politely. Politely means using please and thank you. Say, does that cookie have nuts? Yes. So you got a cookie with nuts just by asking? Politely. I ask for things all the time. Oh, pigeon is about to say a lot of things. I ask to drive the bus. I ask for hot dog parties. Do I ask for candy? I do. It doesn't have to be a big bus, you know. I'll ask for a french fry robot every now and then. I've asked for a walrus. Right now I'm asking why? Why? Oh, there's more. Sometimes I ask for a hug, or I'll ask for one more story. I can't count the times I've asked for my own personal iceberg. I ask to stay up late. Oh yeah, I'm the askiest pigeon in town. But what do I get? But do I get what I ask for? Oh, look at the pigeon. He's feeling a little sad. Wonder if that means he doesn't get what he asked for. Do you think he gets what he asked for? See? No! He screamed so loudly it made the duckling drop its cookie. It's not fair. Flappity flip flap. Ducklings get everything. He's feeling a little angry and a little sad. Pigeons like cookies too, especially with nuts. Why did you get that cookie? Well, think the pigeon is yelling at the right person. Duckling just asked for it nicely. I wonder if the pigeon could just ask for a cookie nicely and then he would get one too. So I could give it to you. And another thing! Oh, the pigeon is so angry. Pigeon's not even listening to the duckling. The duckling just said, I'll give you my cookie. Pigeon didn't even listen to him, and instead he's still just screaming. Hubba what? You're giving me that cookie? With the nuts. Duckling's so nice. How's Pigeon feeling? Surprised, yeah, I thought so too. That is so nice. They're both feeling really happy. Thank you very much. Now he's asking very politely with his manners. Chomp. That is one cool duckling, chomp. Yes, sir. Bye. May I have another cookie, please? But this time, no nuts. Crunch. I think the duckling ate that one. So in the front cover, it shows all of the cookies with nuts in them. And then the back cover, because the duckling asked for no nuts, it just has plain chocolate chip cookies. That was a cute story. Thanks for coming to read with me.